there's a hole. Let's see what's in it. Wow, look at this. It's like a little burrow. I am sure something's got to be living in there. It's very cozy. Very, very cozy. Inside of a tree. Look at that. It's a nice little cozy apartment in that tree, or little cozy house. Alright, I've come up on another. This is kind of odd. Look at this. It's like a perfectly bare spot on this tree. It's very odd. Okay. This one must have recently fallen. Wow, look at this. I mean, just check this out. The roots. Look at all these roots. Just to sort of give you a sense of size, I mean, look how big this tree is. I'm gonna go around the other side and take a look at the bottom of it. You know, the part that's been in the ground for hundreds of years. Wow. Look at those roots. I mean, it's almost like a work of art. It really is. An amazing sculpture. Right there's a nest. There's a bird's nest or something. Something's nest. Just barely missed, you know, hitting that. Wild. Okay.